Tonight's Fact or Fiction, we're looking at some unusual food. We found this picture online, allegedly showing Domino's new bubble tea pizza. If you're not familiar with bubble tea, those bubbles are actually tapioca balls called boba. It seems an unlikely pizza topping, but this is actually real.
Well, whatever happened to good old-fashioned plain pepperoni pizza? I love pizza. All pizza deserves to be loved, whether it be pickle or pineapple pizza. But has Domino's gone too far with offering bubble tea pizza? Taiwan is the home of bubble tea, and basically Domino's took the bubble tea recipe and added one ingredient, cheese, and turned it into a pizza, and is considered a dessert-style pizza offering a sweet and salty flavor featuring honey and black sugar pearls.
Bubble tea is not only extremely popular in the East, but around the globe. Tea stands were popular in 1980s Taiwan, especially amongst children. One stand became very popular for offering a variety of fruit-flavored teas, but for the tea to taste good, it had to be shaken, which created bubbles, hence the name bubble tea. In 1983, Luhan Chi Tea Room and its founder Chun Shui Tang introduced Taiwan to tapioca pearls, which quickly became a fad when they were added to cold-fused teas. However, the founder of Hanlin Tea Room, Tu Sung Ho, claims he created the drink in 1986 after spotting white tapioca pearls at a market and believing they would pair well with milk tea. The tapioca pearls already had a bubble shape, so it was a no-brainer to add them to bubble teas. The consistency of the pearls lie between jello and gummy bears. There's a certain texture the Taiwanese market looks for in bubble tea and other foods, known simply as Q, which means chewy or bouncy, and apparently Domino's has captured this Q texture. Domino's is not the first pizza store in Taiwan to serve bubble tea pizza. Foodie Star, a restaurant in southwest Taiwan, claims it invented the recipe in April 2015.
And the feedback on Domino's pizza has actually been surprising, with most people liking its sweet and salty combination and enjoying the texture of the boba. But what do you think? Do you think Domino's has gone too far, or are toppings on pizza truly limitless? Would you try this pizza if it was available in North America? Have your say in the comments below, and thanks again for watching.